Okay. Yan siya. Okay. So, ito ng brush, yung animate niya, spiral na. One brush na letter one is vestibular membrane. The other brush is basilar membrane. Above the vestibular membrane, it is the scala
Vestibular.
vestibular. Ano naman ang scala vestibular?
Perilin.
Perilin. And the other branch of the letter Y, below the letter Y is
Scala tympani.
scala tympani, which consists of
Perilin.
perilin. Unaintindihan nyo?
Sir.
Akla.
Sir.
Okay. Ulit?
No.
Hindi nga. Between the letter Y, what do you see? Between the letter Y. It consists of cochlear
Duct.
duct. Naintindihan? Ang nasa loob, it consists of
Endolin.
endolin. The fluid inside is the
Endolin.
endolin. What's the structure inside the letter Y? Cochlear duct. Maliit ba, class?
Yes.
Maliit. Malaki natin, ha? Ano siya?